Hello and welcome to Yoga TX. Today I've got a quick shorty practice for you. We're going to be doing lots of twists today, which are great for the low back, great for detoxing. If you had a long night out last night, this is great for that too. It's also short, so if you're like, I just need to move my body, we're going to do that. You don't need anything for this practice, and we're going to start in a comfortable seat. So go ahead and make your way there. Take your hands somewhere on your body, a little bit of grounding, hands to thighs, one hand to heart, one hand to belly. Let your eyes close down and exhale all your air out. Take a deep breath in to fill up. Mouth open, let it go. Again, deep breath in, fill up. Mouth open, exhale. Deep breath in, fill up. Feel your rib cage expand. And mouth open, exhale. Right here, if hands aren't already on your knees or thighs, take them there. And then just find a little bit of movement. So I invite some circular movement through your torso. We'll shift in one way, going to the right or clockwise first. And again, just finding movement through the spine here. And then we'll take it the other way, counterclockwise or forward, left and back. And then if you want to add any organic movement here, maybe just shifting left to right, or maybe getting a little bit crazy and drawing some figure eights with your heart space. Starting to wake everything up. And then we'll find stillness. Sit up tall. Crown lengthens up. Take an inhale, reach your arms overhead, bring your palms to touch. Exhale your hands to your heart. Again, inhale, sweep the arms high. Exhale, hands to heart. And again, inhale, reach high. Exhale, hands to heart. All right, different here. Inhale, reach your arms high. As you exhale, take an open twist to the right. And pause here. Right hand reaches back, left fingertips reach forward. Oftentimes when we take twists, we use our hands to assist the twist and get deeper into it. But here, use your core, your anterior core, to support yourself. And really feel your heart lift. And again, sometimes we might start to crouch or lean forward. See if you can keep your heart over your hips here. And one more inhale. We keep the twist. Now we use our hands. Take your left hand to the right knee, right fingertips land behind you. A deeper twist here. Sometimes I like to make a fist with my hand that's touching my knee and then press the back of the hand into the knee to get a little more support. I find it gives me more leverage. You can try that if it speaks to you. And then inhale, sit up tall. Exhale, twist a little more. Keep the hand on the knee where it is. Release your back, right hand up and over, bicep over your ear, little side bend. And I like to pull with my bottom hand on the knee. I find there's like more length through my spine or side body if I do so. All right, another inhale. And an exhale, right hand crosses over to left knee as heart turns forward. Inhale, lift your crown. Exhale, round and curl. Inhale to lift. Exhale to round. One more inhale. And exhale. Keep the arms crossed. Start to float your palms off your knees. Find eagle arms here. Bring your hands to opposite shoulders. You can also bring the backs of your hands to touch or double wrap the arms. Now here, draw some circles with your elbows. So see how big of a radius you can take up. Moving in one direction, again finding that circular motion. And then switch the direction of your circles. All right, come back through center. Inhale, lift your elbows. And exhale, elbows towards your belly button. All right, unwind. Before we do the other side, bring your feet mat width distance or just wide, windshield wipe your knees side to side. And And as you come back to your seat, bring the opposite shin in front of or on top. And if you don't remember, that's okay. Just something to think about. Inhale, reach your arms high. Exhale, open twist to the left. And again, using the strength of our core here, right fingertips reach forward. Lengthen your left fingertips back. Can you keep your spine stacked here? Head over shoulders, over hips. And again, we're doing lots of work here in this stillness. Another inhale. Exhale, keep the twist. We use the arms. Maybe make a fist with your right hand as you take it to the left knee. Inhale to sit up tall. And exhale, twist a little more, chin to left shoulder. Keep the hand on the knee where it is. So bring your left bicep over your ear. A little side stretch. Maybe you pull on your left knee for more traction. Take an inhale. And exhale, lift your heart. Take your left hand to your right knee. Inhale, lift your crown. Exhale, round and curl. Inhale to lift. Exhale to curl. One more inhale. And exhale. Keep the arms crossed, float your palms, find your eagle arms here. Grab opposite shoulders, backs of hands, or double wrap the arms. And then draw those big circles with your elbows. So nice and juicy in the shoulders. Switch the direction of your circles. Take up lots of space. How big can you make those circles? And then come back through center. Inhale, lift your elbows. Exhale towards the belly button. All right, we unwind the arms. Make your way to tabletop, hands and knees. Take a few cat-cows here. We've done a lot of undulation of the spine, left, right, twist. So take any movement here. It can be cat-cows, or maybe it's a little bit of a more freestyle movement here on your hands and knees. Maybe you just need a child's pose. Next few breaths are yours to move freely. And then neutral tabletop. Pull your navel to spine to protect your low back. Tuck your toes under. And then float your knees 2 inches off the earth. Beast pose. Little bit of core. And that's the thing about core is that it always sucks to do, but it's so good for not just our core, but for our low back. Puff up the back of your heart. Keep the back of your neck long. Breathe here. And downward facing dog. Float your hips up and back. Pedal your heels if that feels good. Shake out your head. And then find a still down dog. Inhale, lift your heels. Exhale, heels drop to the right. Bend your knees and press into your right hand. You should feel a stretch kind of on the left side of your low back here. Knees are bent. Come back to your down dog, heels up, take an inhale. Exhale, heels to the left, bend your knees, toes right, press into your left hand. All right, come back to your down dog, take an inhale. Exhale, bend your knees even more. Imagine your spine growing longer here. Now look between your hands, tiptoe to the top of your space. Find a rag doll once you're there. Grab opposite elbows. You can also interlace hands behind your neck. Traction head side to side. Release your left hand down. Reach your right hand high. Straighten your right knee. Left knee bends. And switch right hand down. Right knee bends. Left hand lifts. Left leg straight. So many things to think about. Back to your forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, iron out the spine. Exhale, fold. Inhale, stand all the way up. Bring your palms to meet overhead. And exhale, hands to heart. Now pause here in your mountain pose. Notice if you tend to have a sway. So notice if your pelvis is tilting forward or if you kind of stick your bum out behind you. Can you pull your navel in And slightly tuck your bum in, your pumpkins, it's fall. And think about having this anterior tilt. And when I was in teacher training, I was always told posterior tilt is like a cheerleader butt and anterior tilt is like a cowboy butt. So find your cowboy booty, tuck everything in. And then inhale, reach your arms high. Exhale to fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant your hands, step back to your plank. Keep everything pulled in and then press to your down dog. All right, bend your knees, look forward. Travel to the top of your space. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, let's find a chair pose. Bend your knees, reach your arms high, or if that's a lot, you can always bring hands to prayer. Now, take an inhale, and exhale, we twist to the right. So first we find that open arm twist, right fingertips back, left hand forward. Look down. Notice if your knees are uneven. Can you bring them in line with each other so that your hip bones are pointing forward? Now, you can stay right here, or we'll find a little bit of a bind. Take your right hand towards your left hip and your left fingertips outside your right knee. It's a little bit more of an increase of twist. You're also welcome to take a prayer twist. That'll be the deepest form of a twist we can get here. It's very active. Don't recommend it if you had a large breakfast. Right from here, ground into your right foot. Lift your left heel. And then take a step back with your left toes. High on the left toes. Exalt your warrior. Take your left hand up. And exhale, warrior two. Spin open. All right, and then check in here. Make sure your toes and knee are tracked in the same direction. And then press your right knee out a little bit more. Flip your right palm up. Inhale, reverse your warrior. Exhale, cartwheel your hands down. Come onto the ball of your left foot. Pause here. Find a crouch through the back. So really think about creating a rainbow shape here. Fingertips lightly press into the floor. And then from here, shift your weight forward into your right foot. Float your left heel up. It's a standing splits. It's okay to keep a bend in your right knee. Now here, bend your floating knee, so kick your left heel up towards the ceiling. All right, one more inhale. Exhale, pyramid. Left foot steps back. You can widen the feet left to right. Frame your right foot with your hands. And we revolve left hand down, reach your right hand up. All right, one more inhale. And exhale, rebend your front right knee to plant your hands. Step back to your downward facing dog. All right, bend your knees, look forward, travel to the top of your space. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale to your chair pose. Sweep your arms high or take them to prayer. And then we rotate upper body to the left. Extend your left hand back, right hand forward. Notice your knees, notice your hips. Can you keep them squared forward? Use your core here. Invitation to keep this open twist or use your hands to assist. Right fingertips outside left knee. Sweep your left hand to your right hip or your low back. And again, if you want that deeper twist, you'll take prayer hands and hook the right elbow. I don't want that right now, but you do you. Ground into your left foot, float your right heel. Keep your upper body as it is, step your right foot back. We're in a high lunge with our twist. Now exalt your warrior, reach your right hand up. Left hand can come down the right thigh or to the low back. Take an inhale. Exhale, spin open to warrior two, facing the opposite way. Left toes and knee point in the same direction. Flip your left palm, inhale, reverse your warrior. And exhale, cartwheel your hands down. Find that crouch in the back. So you can tuck your chin towards your chest, come onto the ball of your right foot. And then start to shift your weight forward. Weight into your left foot, standing splits. Again, it's okay to keep a bend in the standing knee. Bend your right knee, kick your heel up to the ceiling. One more inhale. And exhale, pyramid, right foot steps back. Walk your hands back so they frame your left foot. You can also widen the left foot out to the left here. Revolve your pyramid, right hand down. Float your left fingertips up to the ceiling. I wonder how many twists we've done so far. Good job, everyone. We're doing it. One more inhale. And exhale, bend your left knee to plant your hands. Step back to your downward facing dog. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, soften your knees to the earth. Take a child's pose. Breathe into your back body here. And then last little bit we'll do here is we'll find some twists in this position. So take your left hand forward, tent onto the fingertips to lift your elbow. Flip your right palm and then slide your right arm underneath the left. Right ear can come towards the earth. And then let your left elbow relax. Now, if this is uncomfortable, sometimes we feel too compressed in this position. You're welcome to shift your weight forward so that your hips are over your knees and you'll have a little bit more space here. And then we'll switch it out. Take your right hand forward, tent the fingertips to lift the elbow. Left palm flips up. Take your left ear towards the earth as you slide your left fingertips over to the right. Right elbow relaxes down. Again, your choice to keep the child's pose position or shift forward to more of a tabletop. Walk your hands back forward. You pause in your child's pose one more time. You're welcome to stay here or flip over to a traditional Shavasana on your back. Wherever if you need to move on with your day, this is where I'll leave you. If you need to close out now, come to a seat. Bring your hands to your heart space, palms in prayer. Exhale all your air out. Inhale to fill your lungs. Extra breath at the top. And sigh it out. Thank you so much for showing up today here at Yoga TX. Again, my name is Crystal. If you like what we're doing, please like and subscribe to our page. If you want to follow me, you can find me on Instagram. My handle is at its_Crystal, CRYST, 5 A's and an L. Namaste, yogis.